Alright, I'm working on a 2001 BMW 330 Ci. This one has the typical full power loss on the gauge cluster. As you can see there, I turn the ignition on, a few lights come on and then go off, and if I pull the e-brake down, e-brake light will also go off. So and also the backlighting works, as you can kind of see there. So that works as well, but everything else is dead. No gauges, no display, and let me see if the turn signals also don't work. So this is a typical issue for these gauge clusters. We have serviced hundreds of these with this issue. 95% of the time it's repairable. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes the issue is main microprocessor on the circuit board, which in that case we would have to source a replacement, but most of the time we can fix them. So I'm going to have a link to our website in the description of this video, that way you could purchase the service and send the cluster to us for repair. It's fairly affordable. We do have a lifetime warranty on the repair service, and by getting it repaired you will not have the tamper dot on the cluster, and also your miles will stay the same. It'll be basically plug and play after we repair it. I believe the service currently is $169.99 for the repair, plus return shipping, and then you have to send it to us at your expense as well. Like I said, this issue is very common. We see it all the time. It is fairly simple to pull this cluster out. I got a little tool right here. It's a T20 torque. Doesn't have to be the security head. Basically remove those two bolts up here. Just got them removed, and get your fingers or some kind of pry tool in here. Just kind of pull back, straight back, and then lower the steering wheel, helps a bit, and just get it out here to the side. And then you have two plugs. Just push on this tab right here and slide the white lever over. There it is. And then do the same for the bottom one there. Alright, got the bottom one loose as well. And here it is. It takes about a minute to pull these clusters out. Real easy. Alright, once the cluster is removed, you could visit our website, check out the description of what all issues we service on these clusters. Mainly individual gauge issues on the earlier E46s, like 99 through 02, I believe, have like individual gauge issues where they will start sticking individually, and then all 99 through 06, 05 or 06 E46s, they all experience full power loss. So yeah, visit our website, check it out. You can purchase the service on there and send it into our address. We repair and send back within 24 hours of receiving the cluster, and once you get it back, the miles will be the same. There will be no tamper dot, because you'll get the same cluster VIN coded to your car. And if for some reason we have to source a replacement cluster for you, we always transfer the VIN and the odometer reading. That way it still will be plug and play. It will still be coded to your car. So it's a good option compared to buying a used cluster, which will eventually fail as well. or going to the dealer. They're pretty ridiculously expensive at the dealership for coating and the replacement part. So yeah, check out the website below. Thanks for watching.